In this video, we will show you how to make blog website using the Django. If you guys want to get started with the Django, you can use the links down in the description. First, create a new directory for your project. Then set up a virtual environment using Python -m venv. Activate the virtual environment on Windows. Inside the virtual environment, install the Django using Python -m pip install the Django. Then run the Django-admin start project myblog. Replace myblog with your project name. Now create a new app using the Python manage.py startup blog. In the blog app, create models for blog posts, categories, and comments. Define fields like title, content, author, and timestamp. Next, register your models in the admin.py file. Then create a super user using Python manage.py create super user. Design views for listing blog posts, displaying individual posts, and handling comments. Now create templates, HTML files, for your blog pages. Define URL patterns in your app's urls.py. Include these patterns in your project's urls.py. Then organize static files like CSS images in your project. Use Bootstrap or other CSS frameworks for styling. Implement user registration and login functionality. Associate blog posts with specific users. Now choose a hosting platform like Heroku, Python Anywhere, etc. Then set up your database with SQLite, PostgreSQL, etc. Deploy your project and configure domain settings. So that's how to make blog website using the Django. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with the Django. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.